Have you ever said or done something to a woman that you later regretted? Maybe you thought you were being nice, but it didn't go the way you hoped. Or maybe you tried to impress her, but it just didn't work. The truth is, men often make mistakes with women, not on purpose, but because they don't understand how their actions affect a relationship. Sadly, these mistakes can lead to losing her respect, attraction, or even the whole relationship. Stick around until the end, because I'm going to share a powerful mindset shift that will completely change how you interact with women. Let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about mindset, relationships, and self-improvement. Today, we're going to talk about 8 key points. There are some things men should never do when it comes to women. These mistakes are common, but once you understand them, you'll come across as a confident man who earns respect naturally. First, stop seeking her approval. Always asking if she likes you or needing reassurance shows insecurity. True confidence comes from within. Women can sense a man who knows he belongs. Next, don't over-explain yourself. If she asks why you didn't text, just say, "I was busy, but I'm here now." Keep it simple and confident. Also, don't be too available. When you're always there, she may start to take you for granted. A man who values his time becomes more attractive. Avoid emotional arguments. If she's upset, stay calm. Don't try to win with logic or fight back emotionally. She may also test your confidence by teasing or challenging you. Don't get defensive. Stay cool and confident. Another mistake is apologizing too much. Say sorry only when it's really needed. Constant apologies make you seem unsure of yourself. And never put her on a pedestal. Treat her with respect. But remember you're equals. Don't act like she's better than you. Finally, don't make her the center of your life. Have your own goals and purpose. That's what keeps attraction alive. A woman should be part of your life, not your whole world. The key mindset here is this. Women respect men who respect themselves. It all comes down to self-respect, confidence, and having a purpose. When you live by these values, the right women will naturally be drawn to you. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on relationships, mindset, and personal growth. Remember, how you carry yourself affects how others treat you. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep improving. See you in the next video.